Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download Binance application on your device. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. After that, find and open App Store or Play Store on your device. On the search bar, type in Binance and click on Search. Here, click on the first application and click on Download button. If it is your first time downloading it, you may need to verify using your Face ID, fingerprint or password. The download may take some time depending on your internet speed. After the download is completed, click on Open to use the application. You can enable or disable the notification from Binance application. After that, log into your account. You can also find Binance application on your home screen. Simply tap on it to use it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.